Hey there, Big Ken 62 coming at you from the Rat Hole Garage. We had a train show today that I went to, and I found something that is just way cool for my diorama, my garage diorama. I can't wait to show you guys, and I'm gonna show you. Here we go. Check this out. Alright, there it is. Now I'm gonna put it in a simulated window, and I'll be right back. Okay, check this out, man. Okay, that's a Napa Parts sign. What? You can leave it on, or you can do that. Is that crazy or what? That's awesome. I know y'all want one now, right? What? Alright, check this out. There's their card. That neon sign cost me $20. And they had all kinds of different signs, and they also had like billboards. Okay, this is like the back of the package. They had billboards about this size, similar to this size right here. And I don't remember. I didn't even bother to see how much they were, because when I seen the Napa sign there, I had to have it. It was like the last one there, and I had to have it. I'm definitely probably going to get some more different ones. They had beer and just everything, whatever you can imagine. So there it is. I thought you guys might like it. Well, I also picked up about 12 of these barrels for like $4. Right? Sweet. All right, man. So if you're interested in one of those signs, neon signs, there you go. There's their card. Lights for models. All right. She said they have well, obviously they got a website, so go check it out, man. All right, man. That's way cool. I'm just excited about that. I don't know why, but that is way cool. So this is Big Ken 62 coming at you from the Rat Hole Garage, man. Light on, light on, light off, light on, light off, light on, light off. All right, man. You guys have a great Sunday. Later, Gators.